Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, I'll show you how to make a free website using AI. It's super easy, and you don't need any coding skills. If you've always wanted a website but thought it would be too hard or expensive, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic AI-powered website ready to go. Let's dive in.
First, go to the browser and type Zarla. Click on the first website that appears. Type your business name here. For example, I will type Cloth Corner. Now, click on Create My Website. Next, choose your industry name. I will select clothing. Then, click on Next. Here, you need to briefly describe your business. I've already written it with the help of ChatGPT, so I will copy and paste it here. Then, click on Create My Website Now. Your website will be generated. To view it, scroll down the page. You can edit the entire website according to your preferences. Click on Edit. However, to edit the website, you first need to claim it. Enter your email and password. Then click on Create My Account. Now, if you try to click Edit, it won't work until you verify your account. For this, I will go to my Gmail account. And click on Verify. Once your website is verified, you can edit everything. Click on Edit. First, we'll click on Header. Here, you can edit your logo by clicking Logo. There are two options. You can generate a new logo using AI, or you can upload your own. I'll click Generate New Logo, and it has created one for us. If you don't like the logo, you can regenerate it. I'll select this one. Now click on Back. Here you can edit your business name. For example, I will write StyleSpot. Click on Save, and you'll see the business name has changed. You can also edit your menu here. I won't change Home, but I'll update About Us to just About. I'm leaving Product and Contact Us as they are. Click Save. Now the menu is updated. Next, click on Hero. Here you can edit your headline. I'll ask ChatGPT to write one for my website. Once I have it, I'll copy it. Paste it here. Then click Save. The headline is now changed. To update your text, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a description for my business, StyleSpot. Since the initial description was too long, I asked for a shorter version. I'll copy that, paste it here, and click Save. If you want to change the button, click here. I'll write Start Shopping instead of Shop Now. Then click Save. The button name has been updated. Next, click on Image. You can either upload an image or generate one. I'll click on Generate Image, and it has created some images for us. You can also change the layout. I'll choose one I like. Then click on Back. Here you can move up, move down, or remove the hero section. Click on Back. Now click on About. Here you can edit the headline and text. I don't want to change these, so I'll leave them as they are. You can also move up, move down, or remove the About section. Click Back. To edit the Product section, click on Product. You can add images by clicking Add Images, then Upload Images. Select a file and click Upload. The image will be uploaded. If you want to add more images, click Upload Image again, select a file and click Upload. This way you can upload as many images as you want. Now click on Back. To edit the Contact section, click here. There are several options in this section. You can change the headline, text, and phone number. Write a dummy phone number. Click Save. You can also edit the form, text, email, and message field. Additionally, you can change the text on the Send button. Click Back. You can also edit the footer. In the footer, you can add your social media accounts. Click on Footer, then click on Facebook and paste your Facebook account link here. Click Save. Now click on YouTube and paste your YouTube link, then click Save. You can see the social media icons have been added. You can do the same for WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok links. If you want a live view of your website, click here. You can now see your website. If you need help, feel free to click here to chat for help. You can also request a free domain. You'll see a message saying it takes 24 to 48 hours to get the free domain. To request the free domain, check my messages. It asked me if I needed help and I requested a free domain. After a few hours, I will receive it.
And that's it. You've just made an AI-powered website for free. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn to Earn Minds for more simple tech and design tips. If you have any questions or want more tutorials, drop a comment below. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!